English in Mind, One Story a Day, April 2026. Story 14, A Tree. There was a little tree growing on the vacant lot near Mr. Smith's house. Every day, Mr. Smith would see this tree on his way to work. Someday, you will be big and give people shade, Mr. Smith said. Then one day, Mr. Smith saw a man with an axe standing near the tree. Please don't cut this down, called Mr. Smith. This is my land. I want to build a house here, said Mr. Brown. This tree is in the way, but it's such a nice tree, said Mr. Smith. May I dig it up and put it in my yard? Yes, said Mr. Brown. I would be glad to have somebody take it. Mr. Smith got a shovel. Together, he and Mr. Brown dug up the tree and planted it in Mr. Smith's yard. Mr. Smith was happy. Mr. Brown was happy too. And you know what? I think just maybe the tree was happy as well. Thank you for listening. Remember, với việc